Welcome back to our channel, foodies. Today, we have something incredibly special for you. We'll be delving into the fascinating untold story behind one of the most beloved Indian dishes of all time, tandoori chicken. Get ready to embark on a journey of flavors and history. Before we dive into the deliciousness of tandoori chicken, let's explore its captivating origin story. Legend has it that the story begins centuries ago in the heart of Punjab, a land known for its rich culinary heritage. Punjabi cuisine is a melting pot of flavors, influenced by the Mughal emperors who brought their royal recipes to the region. Tandoori chicken is said to have emerged from this fusion, combining the traditional techniques of cooking meat in clay ovens known as tandoors with the exotic spices of the Mughals. To uncover the secrets behind tandoori chicken, let's see what more about the evolution of this iconic dish. Absolutely. Tandoori chicken was born out of a desire to create succulent, smoky, and flavorsome chicken. The tandoor played a crucial role in this transformation, as it allowed the meat to cook evenly while retaining its juiciness. Fascinating. But what makes tandoori chicken so unique? Is it just the cooking method? Well, the cooking method is certainly important, but it's the combination of aromatic spices that truly sets tandoori chicken apart. A blend of yogurt, ginger, garlic, turmeric, chili powder, garam masala, and other secret spices infuses the chicken with its distinctive flavor and vibrant red color. Of course. It starts with a base of yogurt, which tenderizes the chicken while imparting a creamy texture. Then we add the spices, ginger, garlic, and a squeeze of lemon for a tangy twist. Fantastic! Now that the chicken is marinated, what's the next step? The chicken needs to be cooked in a hot tandoor, but don't worry, you can still achieve great results in a regular oven. Just preheat it to the highest temperature possible and cook the chicken on a wire rack for that signature smoky flavor. As the chicken cooks, you can already smell the tantalizing aroma filling the air. This must be one of the secrets behind its worldwide popularity. Indeed. The combination of the smoky flavors and the tenderness of the meat is simply irresistible. And there you have it, folks, a beautifully cooked tandoori chicken, ready to be devoured. Thank you so much for taking us on this culinary journey and unraveling the untold story behind tandoori chicken.